For Nigeria's democracy to thrive, leaders have been admonished to imbibe a nationalistic and patriotic approach to nation building. This was the focus of a presentation of this year's Zik Memorial Lecture held in Lagos. The event, which was at the instance of the Zikist movement, provided the platform to recount the leadership virtues that made late Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe a Pan-Africanist. Becky Modujemu reports.
Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe's philosophy of Nigeria remaining one indivisible entity, devoid of corruption and segregation, were brought to the fore as the keynote speaker, Chief Mbazalike Amechi, who is also a nationalist, stressed the need for politicians and leaders of thought to return to the ideals of the nation's founding fathers.
The founding fathers of the country were nationalists who went into the struggle for Nigeria's independence and to governance after independence for what they can give to Nigeria and not what they can take from Nigeria.
All the speakers quite agree that the legacies of Zik, the nationalist and leader, are quite relevant to today's democracy.
It is the duty of the young Nigerians to abandon the quest for riches and to see the struggle for nationalism as an issue that cannot be compromised.
Be sincere and honest and patriotic to help build a better country that those fellows dreamed of.
By the time we start honoring Zik, his legacies will be well established in the sense that the younger generations will be asking, why is Zik being honored?
Described as a remarkable patriot and detribalized Nigerian, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe died 14 years ago at 90. From Lagos, Becky Modujemu.